Which is the current situation of legislative regulation of digestate use in EU?
Actually, the digestate considered as waste in most of the member states. And actually, this is a painful exercise to put digestate on the market as fertilizer. Digestate is a real fertilizer, interesting fertilizer, but there are some trouble to place this on the market, and this is why we want to act and harmonize the situation in the EU. Yeah.
In which way are you working to improve it?
Okay, the project we have is to regulate through the fertilizer regulation, and the fertilizer regulation is actually one important piece of legislation which could involve, among others, the digestate as a fertilizing materials. But for this, we need to actually to change the status from waste to a product, or from waste to raw materials to be used as fertilizing materials. This is the first step. The second step is that digestate contains manure. Manure is generally considered as animal byproduct, and this also need to be leaving the status of animal byproduct to become a fertilizer. And we are working on integration of all this existing piece of legislation into one, which will be the fertilizer regulation. And the purpose of my talk today was to present this aspect of integration of several pieces of legislation into one, which will be helpful for the digestate producer, and this will be actually a way to also making money out of the digestate by placing this useful fertilizing materials on the market.
And which are the best countries from this point of view in Europe?
Well, the most active countries in this regard are typically Germany, but also France, where they think about changing the legal status of this digestate. And that's why we get some inspiration in order to harmonize this at European level. This is very important because we want to create a real level playing field for this digestate-derived fertilizer compared to the mineral fertilizer. Mineral fertilizer we buy, we manufacture. They have a very important carbon footprint, which are detrimental to the environment, and so this is better to have and to use this resource we have. We are living on this resource, producing energy first and producing a digestate as fertilizer. This is a way to integrate circular economy, a way to really recycle more and more, and to transform the farmer as a real actor of this circular economy.